Hi guys, welcome to Plasma. I've put the SSD inside another PC with a dual monitor. And the topic of this video is a question of a user. That's the ISO I've used to install this, and then we update. That's called stay rolling. I have here 4 of these guys. And there is a question about the fact, how does that work, and can we move from here to the second one, so one up and one down. So at this point in time nothing seems to move, but it will make my system smaller, right? Like this one, 1/4, or in here, down here, another quarter, and here half of it, and at the top full, half on the other screen, and then half on this screen, and then quarters, right? So the topic of the video should be about what if I move this and I want to go to the different workspace. Now right mouse click, I think there is also some action, right? You can move this one to desktop number 2. So that's probably this one. Indeed it is. So I don't know what's gonna happen with my recording because that's on desktop 1. Yeah, that works. That's one of the things to do it. And the others I've responded on Discord. Look, there has to be something inside the settings, right? It's always the same thing I tell you guys, and that's click everything, read everything and click everything. It is in here somewhere. It's amazing, but there is also a search. Now, I wouldn't know what to type really, to be honest. So it's really gonna be a search. Workspace behavior is maybe something we can have a look, because it has to do with moving to the side and then either go to the desktops or not. Switch desktop on edge would be something that I would enable and apply. And let's see. So if I have this open and I want to go to the side, it's not gonna kick in. It doesn't kick in, right? It doesn't kick in, but it does kick in like that. So if I go here, it does work, just not to the left. Let's see. Windows drag to top edge, Windows drag to left or right. Okay, so it should work on the left as well. So what we see until now, maybe I should reboot, right? We see that it's working indeed. When I go to here and to there and to there and up and down, everything works, except not to the left, which is maybe the default, right? I don't know if this is the idea of the developers or not, but this seems to work a little bit already. Windows drag to left or right edge. Always enable switch desktop on edge only when moving windows. That's something that's interesting as well. Or disabled. And what delay you have here. So this would be something I'd take a look at. Maybe this one as well. Here he is, right? Navigation wraps around. Oh, come on. Navigation wraps around. I think if we open a window now, then this, yes, right? This is working now. And I have now that, and now I go to the bottom, now I go to the left, yes. Now the left is working as well. And let's go back up. So here. So it's all about, that should be the bottom line, right? It's all about reading, going over the code and testing this and testing that. And maybe you like a fade desktop, show animation when switching. It's entirely up to you. And that's the thing, right? This is just amazing what's inside Plasma as a desktop. So apply it is and have fun with it. All right, cheers.